Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unlock iPhone 13 on the latest ISO 26.1 iPhone locked it to owner. I am going to fully bypass this iCloud account. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you are interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number or you can Telegram me on this number. If you don't have WhatsApp and Telegram, you can email us. Email address is available in description. After buying the unlocking file, just you need to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, and import the unlocking file, and it will take like 5 to 10 minutes depending on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. Also, this method working with all iPhone model and all iPad models. For example, if you have iPhone 17 Pro Max, also that phone is supported. If you have any other iPhone 16 series or iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 X are both supported. So just you need to WhatsApp me and buy the unlocking file. If you need any help, you can contact us and buy the unlocking file. We are only available on WhatsApp and Telegram and email address. If you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. Retained user data has been completed, and now you can unplug your phone from the laptop or PC if you want, or you can just follow these steps to activate this phone. You have to select the language and follow this step. Our internet is already connected because we have selected retained user data, and old data is also available in this phone. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So if you see data and privacy, it means old iCloud is gone, and then we can activate our phone. If you don't see data and privacy, you have to flash it again, but I know our service is permanent and you will see data and privacy option. If you need any help, you can contact me on WhatsApp number or Telegram or our email address. Data and privacy, it means the old iCloud is gone and now we can activate our phone. Follow these easy steps to activate this phone. If you need any help, you can contact us and buy the unlocking file. I'm using iPhone 13 on the latest ISO 26.1, and our service is 100% working. Welcome to iPhone, and our iPhone 13 is unlocked and everything is working fine. You can enter the SIM card and make some call. You can also enter the new iCloud account or old iCloud account here. Also, you can enter the SIM card and make some call. 3G, 4G, 5G, everything will work fine. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is iPhone 13 and now it's unlocked on the latest ISO 26.1. If you need any help, you can contact me and buy the unlocking file. We are available on WhatsApp number, Telegram and email address. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.